friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Lay Builders. We're out at a new job site today. We're doing a whole home remodel here in Tempe. So today we start Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 1. I'm going to give you a tour of the space pre-demolition so you can watch the whole transformation as we go along. Here we are in our living room space, friends, and our front door is getting relocated. So that front door is going to move out so it's level with the front of that front wall of the home, and then we're going to create a new wall to give us an entry space for this home. This wall is going to be transformed, so we're going to open that up so we walk through here in a big wide space, and over there is blocked off. It's going to be such a fun transformation. Here in our laundry room, we're going to update cabinets and flooring, washing machine and dryer staying where they're at, but just a little update here. In this space here, we'll be walking through our dining room eventually. New back doors for this home, and then that kitchen is getting the biggest transformation. Oh, she's going to be a beauty. We have figured out how to increase the footprint of that kitchen and add a walk-in pantry. So as we walk along here, friends, this is going to be one big, beautiful kitchen space, open with an island and a walk-in pantry. And then from here, we'll be able to see through to the front door. Oh, it's going to look so nice, friends. All right, and over here, we're just doing a little update with soffits, raising all the ceilings in the home. The home is a block home, and so all of the trusses that were used to construct the roof are bearing on the outside walls of the house. So we'll be able to make this space have no dropped soffits in it. All of the ductwork can go up in the attic, so we can raise ceilings through this space. Even down this hallway here, we can raise that ceiling so that it goes up to 8 foot to match the rest of the house. And the other spaces of the home, we're just getting some new flooring and new paint, but other than that, the kitchen is the biggest piece of this project, friends. So I'm super excited to get this started. Over here in our master bedroom, we're going to get some new paint and some new flooring, maybe a new paneling on the walls. It's going to look so good, friends. Oh, so here's our quick pre-demolition walkabout in this new space here in Tempe. Super excited to get it all started. So for Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 1, thank you for being on this journey with us, friends. We really appreciate you following along. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.